guys, it's DJ Girl here, and today we are going to play Royale High. I'm sorry about the last video that we couldn't get to play anything, but all that matters is that we hanged out together, even though we didn't get to play anything. But the upgrade, well, the glitch is gone, so we're gonna go to this Royale High this time, and I'm gonna change it to me because it's cold at Royale High. Well, it's really cold at the shopping place. I'll get it. Just waiting for a moment.